In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, go to camera then, and tap on more icon. Then select settings, and here you will notice self timer. Just mark it, and you can pick 2 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, and from now on you can grab a picture with 10 seconds delay. So just tap on and the shutter and wait until the countdown is ended. And that's it. As you can see, the picture has been grabbed. If you'd like to turn the timer off, just mark modes, select settings, and smoothly switch it off by using off. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.